Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best online IAS coaching in India? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I will be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best online IAS coaching in entire India. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus IAS Coaching. Let's talk about the features of this institution first. The number 1 being online classes. Number 2, recorded videos with high quality. Number 3, current affairs. Number 4, experienced faculty. Number 5, mock test. And finally, they provide you 24/7 doubt session. Now let us talk about the contact number, email ID and the website of this institution, and then we'll talk about this institute. The email ID includes info@plutusacademy.com and their mobile number includes 8123002802. The website of this institute being www.plutusacademy.com. Now let us talk about this institution. Plutus Academy is the organization which gives the right platform to the students who want to succeed in government examinations. They ensure that each aspirant gets an environment where they could trigger their mind and build a right path toward the success. The coaching aims to develop a competitive attitude along with a sound academic base with quality teaching. For more than 20 years, they have been guiding the candidates for this competitive examination. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone Coaching is one of the best institutions for IAS preparation, as this institute provides a completely free of cost counseling session for the students. Yes, you heard it right, a completely free of cost counseling session which is very useful for every student preparing for IAS examination. The student can register for this counseling session via the website of this institution, which I'll be telling shortly, so stay tuned. Before that, let's talk about the contact details, like including email ID and the mobile number. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com and their phone number includes 8800222298. The website of this institution is www.thehinduzone.com. If any student wishes to register for this free counseling session, they can visit their website and they can register for this counseling session. Now let us talk about this institution a while. Alright. Excellent career guidance and multiple benefits provided with The Hindu Zone, hence you should join them and get access to their free courses and flagship features like small batch classes, interactive classes, etc. At The Hindu Zone, the fee ranges as per the need of the student. Multiple benefits are provided to students like an extra support mentor, free e-library access, notes of multiple flagship coaching institutes, a guide who will keep a check on your preparation and will provide you with quick tips and tricks. So what we are waiting for? Go ahead and join this institution. Apti Plus Online IAS Coaching. The online IAS class will convert your learning in the form of virtual online IAS classes courses offered in the online ideas of UPSC prelims and UPSC mains examination. Alright, their contact number being 8100765577 and 8820341777. The fee structure includes a sum of rupees 1,18,000 and their batch size includes 60 to 70 students in one batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Raj Malhotra IAS Coaching in India. If you are in search of top coaching for IAS in India, Raj Malhotra IAS Coaching is one of the best IAS coaching as well, and that is the reason it's on number 4. Alright, the courses offered includes IAS optional coaching, IAS mains exam preparation, interview guidance, CSAT coaching and IAS online coaching in India as per the pandemic going on. Alright, the performance of this institute in IAS examination has been extremely good, and this IAS institute is definitely top coaching for IAS in India. The contact number includes 70872 The fee structure being a sum of rupees 1,15,000 and the batch size includes 70 to 80 students for one batch in online classes. The Google rating includes 7 stars out of 10. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Yojana IAS Coaching in India. Best UPSC preparation IAS courses by top IAS coaching center, that is Yojana IAS. They also provides best IAS prelims plus IAS mains coaching in India, including online IAS coaching, which is obvious thing. The contact number being 621-254-2147 and 564-852-3574. The fee structure ranges from a sum of rupees 90,000 to rupees 1,50,000, and the batch size is quite small so that you can interact with teacher in a more good manner. The batch size being 30 to 35 students in one batch. The Google rating includes 5 stars out of 5. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best online IAS coaching in entire India. You can select from these top 5 institutions for your UPSC preparation as well. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.